Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, what I'm going to show you is a lot of times in enterprise businesses, what I've seen is there could be a group of people or a team or as a sales team basically, which operates for a particular geo. So when deals come into the CRM, then a lot of times there's manual allocation which happens. So there's one person or multiple person who go on to these deals and then manually assign these to either themselves or their team members. And this is a kind of a tedious task which can be easily automated with the help of workflows. So that's what we're going to see in today's video. So to start off, just need to go to workflows, create a new workflow from scratch, select met filter criteria. Over here, you need to select deal, go to deal properties, and for the trigger, let's put this create date is known. Okay, cool. And over here, for example, if the country is US and they're operating within the US, I'll go to deal properties, state, and under state, I'll select, so for example, if it's California. So the create date is known and the state is any of California. So now there could be 2 or 3 salespeople who would be operating inside of California, and we automatically want to assign deals to them whenever a new deal which belongs to California comes into the system. So I have these two criteria. I'll click save and continue. And over here, I'll click on CRM. And at the bottom, I get this option of rotate record to owner. So over here, now I get two options. I can either select a couple of users between which I want to rotate and allocate these deals, or otherwise I can select teams. So if I have teams assigned under user settings, I can then assign it to a particular team. So in this scenario, I have these three, and obviously this requires a paid professional plan. So you can select all of these people and then click on save, and that is it. So the next time a deal comes in, it will automatically be assigned to any of the members or any of these team members which you've selected, the specific users which you've selected, and it will work in such a way that, for example, if there are 3 people and one person gets a deal automatically allocated, in the when the next deal comes in, it will not be assigned to this person who has a deal allocated. It will randomly allocated between the remaining 2 people, and then when the third deal comes in, it will go to the third person. So at all times, it will try to ensure that all of these deals coming in are being equally distributed amongst the 3 salesperson. So that way you do not have one person being overburdened with deals and the other not getting deals. So that was a video, a quick one, but yeah, it automates a very important process in the whole sales process. So yeah, that is it. Hope you found this helpful. Thank you.